Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert your personal Pinterest account into a business account using the Pinterest mobile app. A business account gives you access to valuable tools like analytics, ads, and more, which can help you grow your brand or online presence. First, open the Pinterest app and log into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top left of the screen. Next, scroll down and select Account Management. Then tap Convert to Business Account. Tap Convert Account to continue. Now enter your business name. Then tap Next. If you have a website, enter it and tap Next. If not, tap No Website Yet. Next, select a category that best describes your business and tap Next. You'll be asked if you're interested in running ads. Choose your answer and tap Next. You're all set. Your Pinterest business account is now ready. Thanks for watching. Now that your Pinterest business account is set up, you can start tracking performance and reaching more people. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.